Alright, this is for the 07 and up LS injectors. Kind of help you all out. Actually pretty simple once you get it down. Set that there. These injectors kind of look like this. How to get them off is actually pretty simple. This front piece is actually just a locking clip. And if you look, let me try to make this as easy as possible. Like, you want to kind of get your hook right in one of these grooves and pull up. Like here, let me get in there. Pull up, and they come right off. All right. And then get in there, kind of show you. And you can press on them, or you can take your clip and grab the bottom. Let me do that. And they'll just come right off it, just like that. That's what the bottom looks like. It's just a little clip you gotta lift up on. No biggie.